Hello and welcome. My name is Stephanie Lutz, and in today's video, I will show you how to change dimensions and ceiling heights. Let's go into our project. We'll go into a specific room, and I simply tap on a measurement that I would like to change, and then I can manually change this measurement, or I can connect a compatible Bluetooth laser to my device and then measure all measurements. As soon as I've updated a measurement, a little lock is visible. This means I now have to confirm any changes to this measurement to ensure that not by accident anything will be changed. To change the ceiling height, I would go here to the info button, and you see here is the ceiling height presented, and same as with any other measurements within magicplan, I simply tap on the measurements and then manually change this measurement or use my Bluetooth laser. Thank you very much for joining me on this video. See you in the next.